Welcome to our complete Python course. In this video, I will show you how to install Python on Windows 11. Python is an interpreted programming language. Python interpreter is required to run Python program, and this interpreter is available with the Python installer. So you should install Python to run Python program. To install Python program, we have to download the installer from official website and finally run the installer to install Python. Once the Python is installed, you can test Python interpreter into the command prompt. Once Python is installed, you can test it in the command prompt. So we have to first download the Python interpreter. For this, we will go to the Google and search download Python, and the official website for Python is python.org. We will go to the download Python, and here we can see the Python 3.12.6 is available at this time. Python is also available for Linux, Mac OS and other operating system. So I am going to click on the download Python 3.12.6 link, and you can see the installer is downloading. It is around 25.3 MB, and to install we can click on the exe file. In the browser itself, we can click here, or you can go to the downloaded directory and then double click there. I will click here itself. So Python 3.12.6 64-bit installer is started here. We can choose the install now or customize installation. We should click these two so that py.exe is available and the python.exe is available into the path. Now we will click on install now. So the installation is started and it is installing the Python. You have to first install the Python before starting the Python programming, and it is successfully installed, and we will click on the close button. Now we will go to the terminal by typing cmd, and here we can type python -version, and it should print the Python version, and you can see the Python version is 3.12.6. Installing Python is the first step towards learning Python programming language. So we have successfully installed Python programming language here, and python.exe or Python is available for us to run our program. Python is an interpreted programming language, so we can write a line of code and Python will interpret and run the code. So I will show you how you can write some code in Python and run. So if you type Python, it will open the Python interpreter. So it is saying Python 3.12.6 is the version, and the help, copyright, credit, etc. is here. If we type help, it is going to provide us the help. So welcome to Python 3.12. To exit from this terminal, we can type Q and it is exited from the help terminal. It is saying you are now leaving the help and returning to the Python interpreter. Now I will show you how you can write some Python program. So I am creating a variable called name and entering the value here. In Python, we created a variable called name and the value inside this is Deepak Kumar. So I will write print and name. So it is going to print the variable value. Now we can see the type of variable. For this, we will write print, then type of name. So it is a string, a variable of type string class. So in this tutorial, we learned how to download Python, install in Windows 10, then use the Python interpreter and write some code inside it and execute. In next tutorial, I will show you how you can use the Python interpreter to run your Python code. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel. To exit from this terminal, simply type exit and it is going to exit from the Python interpreter. So we learned how to download the Python latest version for Windows, install on the Windows 11, run the Python interpreter and write some code. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.